Hey everybody, Friday, May 17th. Haven't been out here in a couple days. It rained yesterday. And thought I'd come out and see what's going on here before I do a bike ride that I don't want to do. So it's nice and sunny and breezy and cool. It's actually beautiful out here. All right, so what is going on here? Remember we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 9 of these beams or piles. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got some barricades, or whatever you want to call those things. That is new, sitting on some boards so they don't sink into the dirt. So the forklift can pick them up. We have a surveyor out here. So that tells you something's starting to happen soon. I contacted the city. They haven't contacted me back. I don't know if they're going to. So I might have to call. Airplane up there. How's it going? Alright, so we got the surveyors. Gate is open. Looks like the 2 surveyors that have been out here before. Alright. I think they're gonna... How's it going?
How you doing?
Good, good. Okay, so that is new. That little thing on the top of these, I don't know what the heck that is. Probably something for the surveyors. These little black things are on top of all of the metal posts, piles. They still have to weld, as they just confirmed to me. So the welding's got to happen. There's another airplane over there. Let's get the plane in. Alaska Airlines. You hear that story that was in the news about Southwest Airlines? They were sitting on the runway for so long that they burned up a ton of fuel. And one of the passengers joked and said, "Why don't you give everybody free vodka?" And the stewardess went over to the phone, contacted the sheriffs, and they pulled the guy and his wife off of the airplane. Unbelievable. The airlines today are nothing like they used to be 20 years ago, 30 years ago. They are so Gestapo-like now. It's really sad because they've got so much power. I know these stewardesses get so much abuse, but somebody just joking around saying, "Give us free drinks," and they get pulled off the plane. And Southwest's comment, "Oh, we like to take care of customers," and it's a total cover-up. It's a total con job. They ought to be ashamed of themselves. In fact, if I was the president of the country, I would pull their flying license and say, "This is going to stop right now." But I'm not the president of the country. I'm the president of my camera. So we're walking over to the stop sign, to the street light this time, and I'm going to cross legally, like I always do. And get the green light. We're going to go over to the pumping area. Come on, change to walk. There's another airplane. Well, look who's there. Southwest Airlines. And we got a guy that wants to run me out. Unbelievable. Everybody's in such a rush out here. The amount of people that get hit by cars is just amazing in Los Angeles. All right, so we've got a little bit more activity going on over here. We've got the fuel truck over there. I think it's the fuel truck. And we've got the forklift moving. And we've got the deer digger. That's the official name for that component over there. What else is going on over here? Not much else is happening. Not much that I can see. Got a bunch of bricks sitting over there on the side. That's new. I don't know why those bricks are there. They did dig 35 feet down like they said they were going to. I hear another airplane taking off. It's a busy morning. Another Delta. So yeah, it's a slow morning over here. It's a slow week over here. Everything all welded. They've dug down deep, and I don't know what the next phase is over there. And then somebody told me they still have a third project, the one over by the airport, that they're working on to connect all of this together to the pumping station. So it's a slow Friday morning. Absolutely nothing to put on the video. Since I was out here last, we've got some humongous bricks, some big stones, whatever you want to call those. Got a piece of pine board over there. What the heck are they doing over here? Really hard to tell. Got some beams. I think those are beams. Is he going to carry these down here? No, he's not going to bring them down. So there's absolutely nothing to look at today. I see those two orange handles. I don't know what those two orange things are over there. I'm trying to see without all the glare. It's a really glary morning. I don't know what that connects to. And still have all that wood stacked up at the back. Just looks like a really sleepy, quiet Friday morning. It's still kind of early, 9:30. Even for construction, it's kind of early. It's one of those days. So, massive amount of dirt over here. And I don't see anything else going on back there. I saw the surveyors. Well, there's an USDA truck. The USDA truck used to go into this lot over here. In fact, if you go on the internet, do a search on Falmouth, what is this? Falmouth and Westchester Parkway, Jet Pets area. There was a USDA vehicle. I think I talked about this before. There was a USDA vehicle, and they would come out here with their shotgun and try to catch wild, like foxes or whatever that was roaming around here that shouldn't be in here, because it could be a danger and go on across to the airport. And so the guy was out here with his shotgun during just a regular routine, and one of the neighbors over there saw a man. Someone's walking behind me. Hold on. Saw a man walking around with a shotgun and didn't see the USDA truck and called it into the PD that came out here, not knowing what was going on, and put the handcuffs on him and verified who he was and then let him go. So it's one of those see something, say something, but try to know what you're saying before you do anything. Alright, so not much is going on. I'm just going to take off. There's absolutely I got to wait to cross the street. Lots of darting vehicles all over the place, just in a rush to get somewhere. I'm not crossing till it's safe. And it's definitely not safe right now. It is not safe yet. Look at this. Look at this traffic. Alright, so I'm going to be back on Monday. Hopefully we'll have something going on here, but I'm not counting on it. Things have really just slowed down here. Maybe that's why the city didn't contact me. Maybe there's just nothing to talk about yet. And have a good weekend. Let me head on back. Got the computer out of the box. I got that set up. And my channel, I'm going to have a video pretty soon on a computer desk. I have a computer desk at home, and I wanted to get another one just like it for the second computer and third computer. And I've been literally looking on the internet every night, like an hour or two for the last 6 months, trying to find that exact same stand, and I found it last night. So pretty excited about that. Be doing a video review of that soon. And I'm going on a bike ride, but there's going to be no video because I'm going to the bike shop and I don't have the GoPro set up. So stay safe, everybody. Stay healthy, stay well. Watch out for all those crazy drivers out there, and I'll be back on Monday. Maybe. They say it's supposed to rain Saturday into Sunday, and I think they said it's going to rain Monday into Tuesday or Tuesday into Wednesday. So I might not be out here. I don't know how much they're going to do in the rain. See ya.